an eye out for those birds, you guys. They can be anywhere around the yard.
Those birds are really sneaky, but can also be really funny at the same time. So they shouldn't be too hard to track down. Hey, look up there. I see a group of birds flying by. I guess they're trying to track down some food for their chicks. Aw, ain't that so sweet and charming? Well, since we got done doing some bird watching for the day, what do you guys want to do next? Honestly, I don't have a clue. There's so much stuff for us to do outside. But whatever the activity we choose next, it should be something related to water, since the sun is a bit bright and strong today.
That is a good point right there. We'll spend the rest of the day looking for ways to cool down on this hot day. But we just need to figure out how, in particular, are we gonna stay cool in this hot sunny weather?
Fortunately, we have the perfect answer to that exact question, you guys.
My mom just brought a cool water slip and slide for me and my sister can play together. And I thought we can use it today in order to get wet, which can cool us all down.
A water slip and slide that can get us all wet? Genius. That's just what we need to cool down. Great idea you came up with, Chucks.
And this slide is even more fancier with the inflatable palm trees. You three can go and get changed while we get this thing set up.
You got it, guys. Wish you six the best of luck with that.
Later.
Perfect. This should be good enough for the slip and slide to not fall over.
Now we need to add the water into it. Puppycorn, Lil'Petey, you two will get the garden hose to insert water into the slide.
Aye, Captain Chucks. Come on, Lil'Petey. Let's get the hose to add in the nice cool water.
That is the perfect amount of water to last for a whole day. Now we're all ready to go sliding down from the top to the bottom.
So what are we waiting for? Let's head over to the top of the slide and begin our sweet splashy ride.
Me and William are gonna slide down first, since the two of us are such a really lovable duo. 3, 2, 1, take off.
This is such a really fast ride that we're enjoying it every second.
Looks like this water slip and slide has impressed Baby and William. Well, it's time for me to slide down. Look out, below. Here comes the chillful Chucks. Yahoo!
Now it's time for the fashion fish to make her grand appearance at the bottom of this water slide.
Oh boy, I cannot wait any longer to slide down. Watch out, fishies, here comes Voila.
Now it's the time the cutest of the bunch joins the swim party. Yippee. Off we go.
You almost forgot two people. Us. Here we come.
Surfabunga. Cannonball. Woohoo. Now that was such a big splashy too. I totally feel so cool from all of that splashing around.
And we can all thank Chucks for getting the slip and slide from his mother. Now we can all splash around and enjoy our time as we please.
We sure can. And it's been my honor, fishies. You guys can also come over to my house and we can enjoy some splashy fun whenever it gets hot out.
And since this mini wave pool can fit us all, We can go swimming and have all sorts of splashy games as well. How unique is that?
Speaking of which, anyone up to play with a beach ball? Sure thing, you three. That will totally prevent us from being bored around here.
I'll go and grab one and we'll take turns bouncing it back and forth while we enjoy our well-deserved splashy fun in the water slip and slide.